Welcome to this short video where I'll be displaying some of the differences and new features of this year's Accounts Return online form. In Academy Trust information, you'll see that a question has been added regarding commissioning third parties such as auditors and accountants to complete the AR form. This is a mandatory question and so must be answered to complete this table. Another notable change is that the Teaching School references have been replaced with Teaching School Hub throughout the form. This can be seen in Academy information. In the questionnaire, the guidance on question 24 has been updated to clarify what to report in this field. Similarly, the guidance for RGR 010 has been updated to include business rates paid by the DfE and ESFA. On this page, you'll also see a new field, RGR 153. This is to report recovery premium related income. It's worth noting that this field uses the Department for Education's Chart of Accounts code 510950, which maps to RGR 150. Trusts using COA and automation should manually reallocate this from RGR 150 to RGR 153 in the online form. In staff costs, the guidance in fields STF 030A and B has now been updated to include teaching assistants. The same change is reflected in SSN 030. The guidance in field CAS 260 has been updated to exclude costs incurred on conversion or incorporation of a new academy, as a new field has been created below. CAS 261 to report these costs. A key functional change to the form can be seen in the Land and Building section for single academy trusts. As always, the centrally held table will not be available for SATs, and this section will now be pre-populated with data keyed in by trusts in the tangible fixed asset tables to avoid duplication. This will only be for single academy trusts, as all information relating to that academy should be used in the Land and Building section by default. For multi-academy trusts, there is a new field to allow users to report COVID-19 government funding within the MAT Central Services section. Finally, in the benchmarking expenditure section of the form, the help text for BTE 200 and BTE 210 have been updated to clarify where to report ICT and non-ICT related operating lease costs. And the help text for BTE 280 has been updated to remove references to non-cash transactions. For more information on how the benchmarking fields have been populated for single academy trusts, please see the benchmarking section of the Guide to Completing the AR form. This concludes this summary of new features and changes. For more guidance and further information on these changes, please see the Updates and Additional Information Requirements document on our gov.uk webpage.